Hello, great family. Here we have this question before us here. It's a different question from our normal question we normally solve on this channel. So it's an integration, okay? So the question is the integral of 1 all over x times the ln of x dx. What is the value if we are to integrate this, or how do we integrate this? So let's take our solution. Solution. Although this is a simple one, okay? So we have here the integral of our 1 all over x times the ln of x dx will now be equal to what? So the first thing we're going to do here is to do some substitution here. So we're going to say let our u be equal to the ln of x. So we say let u be ln of x. So rewriting this expression, we're going to have here the integral of 1 all over our x times our u, the dx. Now let's look at this. We can equally rewrite this, separating this x from this, because this has changed the system already. So rewriting this is going to give us the integral of our 1 all over x times 1 all over u dx. Now, let's come back to where we did a substitution here. We said, let u be equal to the ln of x. Okay? So if we therefore differentiate this expression here, so we're going to have our du dx, right? Du dx will now give us here our, if you differentiate ln of x, which is ln x, is going to give us 1 all over x. So we cross multiply, or we multiply by the x. So we're going to have our du is equal to 1 all over x, then dx, right? So yeah, we have to make the x the subject of the formula also. So our dx from here will now be what? Our x times du. So we have here our x times our du. All right, so let's come to our expression here now. We're going to substitute for our dx here. Look at our dx. Our dx is equal to x times du, right? So if we substitute, this is going to give us the integral of 1 all over x times 1 all over u, then times our x, then times our du. Now look at what we have here. We're having x at the bottom here. We're having x at the exponent. So this and this will leave. So we are now left with our integral of our 1 all over u du. So from here, if we integrate this, this is going to give us the integral, ln our absolute value of u, okay? Of u, there plus c. But what is our u? Look at what we said we should put our u. So we have u to be the ln of s. So if we do this, this is going to give us our ln of the absolute value of ln x, there plus our c. So in conclusion, we can say that therefore the integral of our 1 all over our x times the ln of x dx is equal to the ln of the absolute value of ln of x, there plus rc. Wow. So this is the answer when you integrate this expression here. So if you learned something from this video, give the video a thumbs up. See you in our next class. We'll be bringing more of these kind of challenges on your way. See you in our next class. Till then, keep winning.